two kinds of cutting hay. Two kinds. This is like the fancy one. It smashes the leaves in the stem. To cut. The other one is a blade. He's tired of sitting down, so he's standing up. Here comes David again. The cutter is on the other side. We're just looking at the tractor right now. Well, it's hard though being in a tractor because it bounces all the time. It's hard in the back. And he's doing everything. Nobody's helping him. Right there. Pretty cool. Tractor. It's almost finished. And these are the rows of hay. I can't tell the rows right now. Right here you can. That's his dad's truck, and the other one was a rake. Tractor with a rake in the back. Yeah. And he'll rake those 2 rows and make a 1 row, and then bale it. Well, we'll get some more of those baling and raking. Okay. Well, this is how we do it in America. We are considered as beef farmers, ranchers. And some people are grain farmers. That means they plant corn, wheat, and sell it for money. But we are ranchers, so we plant the grass for winter. And then first you let it grow, and then you cut it just like I had from a couple hours ago, and then you rake it. These are all raked, see, because you can't build them if they're not raked. Now David is baling. This is a big baler. That's a big baler. Okay, there are many kinds of baler. This is called a big round baler. It makes a big round bale. And in the past, they had a small round baler, which you can only use, 1 person can pick it up. But this one here, oh no, you can't. 5 people can't even pick it up. A tractor can barely pick it up. You know, the whole roll. And then There's also a square baler. Square baler, it really doesn't make square bales, but it's almost like a rectangular bale. And I guess you can, if you want some smaller bales, then it will look like a square. But it's too much, you know, and then it will drop on the ground, and then later on you pick it up if you don't have any help. So this way you save some time. You don't need much people to help you because most of the time you use a tractor because only the tractor can do these things. Only the tractor can bale it and pick it up. So, but tractors are expensive unless you go to an auction and buy some used one, or maybe your parents, grandparents have some old ones left for you. Yeah. People in the Philippines, they think that we don't work hard here. We do. We do work very hard. Well, we may not do this every day, but when we do, it's really hard work. Remember, David has an 8-hour day job, and he has to do this. You know, whenever he does this, he takes his vacation days, so he won't get, it won't look bad in his records. It will be a vacation, and that's when he does this. So, and as you can see, nobody's helping us, just him and me. And right now I can't help him with this job because this is like a one-man job. But actually, somebody should have been the one cutting, and then another person will be raking, and then another person will be baling. And then we have to pick them up, these up, and stack them somewhere close to the barn. So David is a very hard-working person. He's the only one who helps his dad in the farm. Yeah, when that brown thing goes up, I guess it gives him a signal that it's full. And then he can wrap it with string. Yeah, you have to know how to use this machine. Otherwise the string will, see now it's full. The string will not hold, like rubber, don't know how to do it. You only put one layer of string and they all fall apart. See, that thing is very heavy, probably a couple tons. That big bale itself. So you need to put a lot of string so it will hold together. Now David is threading it. Well, remember, this is the last step of harvesting the hay. The first one was cutting, then the raking, but I didn't have the film of raking yet because I will be later on because the other field has just been cut but not raked. So that thing opens up and drop that bale. And then start a new bale. Yeah. Might look simple, but you know, it still needs, you still know what you're doing. Otherwise you'll be in a mess. The bale will fall apart. Pagab ni David kagahapon. Ngayon ani na row na siya. Kani uga naman eh. Ready for raking and baling. Here's David raking. Okay. Magandang dito row. Tapuron. Unahin mo isa. Bayan. Banganon. Lain pagkatarungan nga kung anri ko ni siya kay pareha bagbalihon ba. Balihon siya ba ng ilaw maugapon. Sa sunod ang akong raman ng mag-bail me og square bales. Okay. See ya.
There's the thing. Baling hay. He's my tractor driver. He does a real good job. We got one load. It's the first load. Okay! You lost the bale! The bale fell off! The bale fell off! And this is what we got to bale, yeah. That's round bales there. Then we're gonna bale as much as we can with square, and what's left we're gonna do with round. We're going to take that wagon in and unload it. And for Sting and me, we're going to stay out here and fill them up. We fill them up, and they take them in, unload them, bring them back. There she goes. Thick row. The hay goes in, packs it and cuts it. And then dumps it on the wagon. Well, I gotta stop filming. I gotta go and stack the hay on the wagon. There you go. They're going to take it in, take the hay in, unload it, and there's Dad. There's old Daddy. He can't do a lot anymore. He does what he can. I was saying, she's waiting for me, so I gotta get going. See you later. Bye.